Right, hello guys, hello social media. I'm going to show you how to get the car from this damage, as you see here, to this finish. So first things first, we've got to pull out the panel and do the filler work. So what we're doing, we're blocking it in to get it nice and smooth and building the curves, the contours and the lines. Using a bit of guide coat here just to get the shape in and all the swage lines. And once the filler work's done, we're going to go into primer. So here, one coat, infrared bake it, and then we're going to apply a second coat and then bake it again. Once that's done, I'm now blocking it down with some 320, 800 grit, 500 grit, just to get all the primer smooth, so there's no sharp edges, and it will just fill any defects or any deficiencies there. Bosh, all painted, so that's the door done. The next stage would be to go onto the